Hello everyone, this is our Singapore road trip episode 5. In this episode, we will see the factory outlet at Changi City Point and I'm going to show you my love which I met at Haig Rd 11 years before. If you haven't watched our previous episodes, please go for it. Changi City Point is a shopping mall located in the vicinity of Changi Business Park next to Expo MRT station. This mall is renowned for containing factory outlets of various brands such as Adidas, Nike, Lacoste, and Pedro. There is also a landscape themed rooftop garden together with a wet and dry theme park. Anchor tenants do include Cold Storage, Kopitiam, Challenger, and FairPrice Finest. Changi City Point is spacious and have a good variety of eateries. The fact that FairPrice Finest is there is such a bonus. If you are looking for outlet shopping and good restaurants, this is the place to go. Seeing an Indian grocery store in a shopping mall is not a common sight, but taking into the fact that more Indians are working in the Changi Business Park, it makes sense. You will see some nice restaurants, cafes, and drinking places. Comes with a food court too. Not much factory outlets in Singapore, and taking the location into the fact that this Changi City Point is an ideal place for last minute travelers rushing to Changi Airport. You will also find a dental clinic and aesthetic clinic. Just realized I haven't had my coffee for the day. This is the best place to eat in the East. Its kopitiam has various international cuisine stalls like Korean, Japanese, and Thai, with them going at relatively cheaper prices compared to other places, which is also halal and it's a good news for Muslims. If not the kopitiam, you can go for the Thai boat noodle, the soup spoon, Jollibee, and the normal shops like Subway and Old Changi. That's just the food. The other shops, outlet stores, there's a lot more to explore. This kopitiam comes in handy if you have spent a lot. If you happen to come to a factory outlet and your wife came to know about it, there is no way you can go empty handed. I am yet to try the Jollibee fried chicken. My friend strongly recommends it. Guess you are already planning a trip to the Changi City Point, and there is adequate car park spaces, not to worry, and it is easily located just beside the Expo MRT. I will share the location for you in the description box. Okay, now let's move on to the Haig Road, our next stop. I am tired and exhausted. I am hot and my phone is also hot. The reason why we have come to the Haig Road is I want to show you my love, which I met 11 years before. For the past 11 years, I didn't get a chance to pay a visit to the Haig Road, and now this road trip made me to come here. We need to pass through the Haig Road Food Center. This is ideally located at a junction of Haig Road and Geylang Road. There is a lot of variety of Chinese as well as Malay food. She used to be here, but now they have changed to a different outlet just across the road. So we shall go there. Along the way, you will pass through the few number of shops. It's like pasar malam. It's like a night market, but in the daytime, you can get anything from fruits to cheap clothes, footwear, anything, whatever you need for your house, you can get it here at a very cheap and economical price. Don't miss to stop by here if you are at Haig Road. You need to walk past along the Wisma Gelang Serai. Across the road, you will find this outlet. So this is where she is. Okay, finally I am showing you my long lost love. This is Putu Piring. Putu is a traditional southern Indian delicacy originated from the state of Kerala, and now it have gone through some changes in the Malay cuisine. Piring means plate, so Putu Piring. The white color is a mixture of rice flour, and the brown color is brown sugar shredded with coconut grates on top. The green color or pandan leaves is added for a fragrance, and this is a must try if you pass by Haig Rd or Gilang Serai. The restaurant in which the Putu Piring shop is located have few other choice of food for you to try if the Putu Piring is not sufficient. They also have a shop selling all the popular local fried snacks. The location is in the description box. Apart from that outlet, the Haig Rd Putu Piring got 3 more other outlets. All their locations are in the description box. Hope you like this episode. See you at the next episode with my space going experience at the space spot. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And you can also get the Tamil version of it in the description and the comment. You can share with your friends. Thank you.